how much should you actually spend on an inkjet printer for heat transfer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, TransHour Dream Iron-On Transfer Paper. First up, we have the TransHour Dream Upgraded Iron-On Heat Transfer Paper. At just $12.97, this set comes with 15 sheets and has a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews. If you want a reliable medium for creating custom t-shirts, this is worth a serious look. It's compatible with common inkjet printers like HP and Brother, and the ease of use is a real bonus. You simply print, cut, and iron on, no complicated steps involved. The lower melting point ensures that your designs come out clean and vibrant, which is crucial when you're creating for special occasions like birthdays or holidays. This product has sold over 5,000 units in the past month, clearly showing it's a favorite. Now some people complained about the durability of the prints after washing. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions correctly and let the prints cure properly, they hold up well. So it's not a deal breaker if you use it right. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create personalized gifts or DIY projects without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you mainly work with dark fabrics, as it's specifically designed for light ones. For the price, it offers fantastic value for your crafting needs. Now, if the light fabric limitation bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Hiapu Sublimation Ink. Next, we have the Hiapu Sublimation Ink at $25.54. With a stunning 4.8-star rating from nearly 3,900 reviews, this product caught my eye for its impressive compatibility with various inkjet printers. If you're serious about DIY and want vibrant prints, this is definitely worth your attention. It offers a color-rich experience, with shades that pop and last longer. The 127 ml black and 70 ml colors provide a good amount of ink for multiple projects. What's great is that it's water-based and non-toxic, so you can use it without worrying about harsh chemicals. This product has also garnered over 4,000 sales in just a month, indicating it's a hit. However, some users mentioned issues with printhead clogs. Now I'll be real with you, while this can happen, regular maintenance and using the right settings can mitigate these issues effectively. So if you're willing to put in a little extra care, it's not a deal breaker. This is a fantastic choice if you want to create bright, long-lasting designs on a variety of materials. Skip this if you primarily print on cotton-heavy fabrics, as that can limit your results. For the quality and vibrant colors you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for dark fabric printing. Product number 3, TransHour Dream Heat Transfer Paper for Dark. Up next, we have the TransHour Dream Heat Transfer Paper for dark t-shirts priced at $15.87. With a 4.4-star rating from over 6,100 reviews, this product is another standout for crafting dark fabric designs. If you want to make custom prints on black or dark fabrics, this is worth considering. The easy-to-follow instructions mean that even beginners can achieve professional results. It's suitable for 70% to 100% cotton fabrics, which is essential if you want your prints to last. Additionally, it's sold more than 5,000 units recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Some users pointed out that it can be tricky to get the right transfer temperature. Here's the thing, though, once you find the sweet spot, you'll be amazed at the quality. It may take a couple of tries, but the results are often worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you love personalizing dark fabrics for gifts or apparel. Skip this if you primarily work with light fabrics, as it's designed specifically for dark ones. For the price, it delivers excellent quality. Now, if you're looking for even more variety, wait until you see the next product. Product number 4, Avery Printable Heat Transfer Paper. Next up is the Avery Printable Heat Transfer Paper for dark fabrics, available for $14.74. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 14,100 reviews, this product truly stands out for its reliability. If you want to create high-quality, custom designs without hassle, you should take a closer look. This means your prints won't fade, even after up to 20 washes. It's incredibly user-friendly, compatible with both standard irons and heat presses, making it versatile for any crafter. The flexibility to customize your designs, combined with the professional results it offers, is why it's so popular, with more than 1,000 sales last month. A downside mentioned by some users is that it can sometimes require extra care during the transfer process. But honestly, following the included step-by-step instructions can make all the difference. Once you get it right, the results are fantastic. This is ideal for those who want to create custom shirts or gifts without the headache of complicated processes. Skip this if you're looking for something primarily for light fabrics. Overall, it's a great value for the quality you receive. Now, if you're curious about alternatives that might be even more accessible, let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, Trans-Hour Dream Heat Transfer Paper for Dark Fabric. Last but not least is the Trans-Hour Dream Heat Transfer Paper for Dark Fabric, priced at $25.97. With a 4.4-star rating and over 6,100 reviews, it's clear this product has made an impact. If you want a reliable choice for dark fabric printing, this could be the one for you. It's designed to work with most inkjet printers and allows for a seamless transfer process. The detailed instructions and included video tutorial are excellent for beginners. This product is popular, with over 200 sales recently, indicating its effectiveness. Some users have noted it can be a bit pricier than some competitors. Here's the thing though, considering the quality and quantity you get, it's often worth the investment for serious crafters. This is ideal for anyone looking to create custom apparel or gifts for special occasions. Skip this if you're mainly crafting for light fabrics, as it's specifically for dark ones. For those who prioritize quality, it's a solid choice. So there you have it. Each of these printers and papers cater to different needs, whether you're working with light or dark fabrics, and they've all proven to be effective in their own ways. In summary, we covered 5 great options for heat transfer printing. The Trans-Hour Dream Light Transfer Paper is perfect for lighter fabrics, while the Hiapu Sublimation Ink excels in vibrant colors for non-cotton materials. The Trans-Hour Dream Dark Transfer Paper is fantastic for dark fabrics, and Avery's offering provides dependable quality. Finally, the Trans-Hour Dream Heat Transfer Paper for dark fabric combines versatility with eco-friendliness.